artist, did you know that our minds can play tricks on us and that our own experiences in life and in art help shape the way we think things should look? Is the sky actually blue? Is that barn really red? Is that tree really that shape? And even more importantly, what should your colors or your shapes be in order to create the illusion of reality in your painting? According to artist Nancy Tankersley, painting isn't about capturing only what you know or just what you see. It's about capturing what you know you should see. The answer lies in painting a still life. And that is exactly what renowned artist Nancy Tankersley will have you doing in the exercises found in this new instructional video. Painting a still life can make you a better painter overall, whether you're a landscape painter, a plein air painter, figure painter, or portrait painter. Sometimes you need to get outside of your normal subject matter to discover the important lessons that will make your painting stronger. Soon, you'll see the light as Nancy Tankersley helps you change the way you see and makes you reconsider the way you think about painting by showing you how to apply her essential painting principles to every painting that you do.
So it's just like we're outside painting on a sunny day, and we have to understand the source of our light and where our shadows are.
You're about to discover how painting still life is the absolute best way to practice for any type of painting subject. Painting a still life requires the same skill set and provides you with extra benefits. You can control the lighting.
Let's pretend that this one light that we have here in the studio is our sun.
The weather conditions, and avoid having to find a model just so you can practice these essentials. Nancy will show you how to think and see outside of the box and stop thinking too literally in your paintings. She demonstrates how to set up your still life scenes in a way that echoes what you see in a landscape or a figure.
Who knows, that could be a low-lying chicken coop or something like that.
This video is the first of its kind, using a still life as a learning tool to master other forms of painting. And Nancy's common sense teaching style and her ability to communicate ideas makes learning a pleasure, fun, and easily understandable. You'll be surprised to discover what you don't yet know and how a few little changes to your painting approach will change everything. As a result, people will respond to your paintings in a whole new way. Essential Painting Principles with Nancy Tankersley. Available on DVD or in digital to view on your computer, tablet, or smartphone. Order your copy today and transform all your paintings.